So, if you have not done your test, your COVID-19 test, this is a right test center for you. As they speak for themselves, they say they are fast and reliable. This is right here at the Hanover Airport. So don't bother yourself and don't stress out. Just get to the airport and you can still do your test. A very fast and a reliable test. So don't get stressed up. So this is the Turkish stand, Turkish Airlines stand, and you have to check in. So this is the stand. Because with the COVID situation, people are not getting their numbers, and I feel a bit relaxed. I feel so relaxed here. Still at the Hanover Airport, trying to get into the Turkish Airlines check-in point, and as I said earlier, the place looks a bit free. The people are not hearing the numbers as I used to see before. And the queue is still on. You have to join to get your luggage weighed to be on board. Amazing, so amazing. People are not here in their numbers as it used to be because of the COVID situation or any other factors. As we all know, these are tough times and a bit challenging for people to even get closer to people. Maybe it's a perfect time to say goodbye. So we put it bye-bye to our loved ones and our sweet ones. Like we take a view and we show you some places in Hanover Airport. Not every place, just note this, not every place in Hanover Airport. Where I am going to pick my flight. It's Turkish Airlines. That is where I filmed a video for you. For you to have a look of Hanover Airport Turkish Airlines check-in point. So as you can see, people are checking in. People are always coming here to check in. So they show you these videos to demonstrate to travelers how you should go by your COVID-19 protocols. So 1.5 meters distance in between travelers or passengers should be observed. So coronavirus has changed everything. It has changed the way we get to airport, how we stand with our own relatives, how we do our things. They look different now. They look so different now. So people are going in for their boarding pass. Yeah, you need something like this to enable you to be on the flight. That is a boarding pass. So people have queued up to get their luggage weighed and to take their boarding pass. So this is where you have to go first, and you check into the flight or the plane. Finally, the flight for Istanbul is in. So travelers from Hanover to Istanbul could get in. Yeah, that is the flight. Turkish Airlines. Spectacular. What a brand. You will love it anytime you take Turkish Airlines. It's boarding time. It is boarding time and people are entering the flight or the plane. It is boarding time. As you can see, people are entering the plane. Everything is set for the flight from Hanover to Istanbul. So we are entering the plane. It starts from here. Turkish Airlines. What a brand. Here we go. That is the Hanover Airport at night. Right here is Istanbul, descending and almost about to land in Istanbul. The flight is descending and it's about to land somewhere in Istanbul. aerial view of Istanbul. As you can see, the flight is almost touching down. It's descending. It's about to land at Istanbul Airport.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.